Diving into digital marketing can feel like stepping into a vast ocean. It's exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. So, let's break it down into manageable pieces. First off, understand your audience. This isn't just about demographics, it's about psychographics. What are their interests? What problems do they face? Use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to gather data. The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to resonate with them. Next, content is king, but context is queen. Create valuable content that addresses your audience's needs. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, make sure it's engaging and informative. Don't just sell, educate. Share tips, how-tos, and insights that position you as an authority in your niche. Remember, people are more likely to trust you if you provide them with useful information without the hard sell. Now, let's talk about SEO. It's not just a buzzword. It's essential. Start with keyword research. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to find keywords that your audience is searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content. But don't overdo it. Google values quality over quantity. Focus on creating content that answers questions and provides solutions. This will help you rank higher in search results and drive organic traffic to your site. Social media is another powerful tool. Choose platforms that align with your audience. If you're targeting younger consumers, TikTok and Instagram might be your best bets. For B2B, LinkedIn is invaluable. Create a content calendar to maintain consistency. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. Building a community around your brand can lead to loyal customers. Email marketing is still one of the most effective channels. Start building your email list from day one. Offer something valuable, like a free ebook or a discount, in exchange for email signups. Craft compelling subject lines and personalize your emails. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about nurturing relationships. Provide value in every email, whether it's tips, updates, or exclusive offers. Don't forget about analytics. Track your performance regularly. Which campaigns are working? Which aren't? Use this data to refine your strategies. A/B testing can be a game changer. Test different headlines, images, or calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Lastly, be patient. Digital marketing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Results take time. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to pivot your strategies based on what the data tells you. Embrace the journey, and remember that every expert was once a beginner. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and most importantly, have fun with it.